Welcome! In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch Fit 3 and I'm gonna show you how to change the straps on this watch. First, if you want to change the straps on this watch, you will need to remove the old ones, and to do it you need to pick up your watch, flip it around, and on the back of your watch you will see that on each side of the watch, basically next to each strap, you have a button, and basically this is the button that releases the strap from your watch. And to release the strap you simply press on this button, and once you press it you should be able to pull out this strap like this. And the same for the second one, like this. And here we have our straps and our watch. And once you get a new strap and you want to put it back on, it's quite simple. You take a strap, you grab your watch, you can see the hole on your watch right here, and there's this metal element on your strap, and basically what you need to do is to place this metal element into the hole on your watch, and once you push it in it should click in, and once it does it will hold. Same for the other side, so basically you put it in the hole right here like that, it will click in and it will hold. And that's how you change the straps on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.